Are you looking for a practical choice to break up a room, create a new space, or have blackout on your windows? I'm Gina with WTI, and my husband and I installed these pinch pleated blackout curtains and curtain track from MaKefeile in our loft area in our warehouse so that he could have a dedicated desk area. This was just the perfect option for us to be able to create a space for him that had insulation to keep heat up there. I'm so impressed with the quality of these curtains. We got the beige ones, and these are so well made. They have black on the back, and I think it's really awesome that the company actually already puts the hooks on them, so you don't have to fuss with putting those on when you want to hang them. They also come with a curtain ring, so there's so many different options on how you want to hang these. We also got the curtain track from the company so that we could install it on the ceiling, as you can see in our loft. There are clear step-by-step instructions on how to connect the rails. Once the brackets are in place, the rail just simply clicks in and it's very secure. And that's so nice because our kitten loves to play on these and it can support her weight. We don't have to worry about that. Having the flexibility of this curtain track is amazing. I highly recommend both the curtains and the curtain track, and that's my point of view.